Your left poi is down here at 6 o'clock. Now, if you look at the positioning, you'll notice my hand is actually in line with my body. I'm not letting it drift forward, but similarly, I'm not letting it drift back like this. So it's in line with my midline. Then what's gonna happen is I'm gonna use that same movement that we do with the giant and then come up to the top so that it's in line with my body, up top at 12 o'clock. Now, if you're like most people when they start, this is what happens. So this is not how you would, I would not perform this like this, right? I would perform it like this so that you could see the circles. But if you were to look at it, when you start, a lot of people look like this, right? Where it starts collapsing or it drifts to the side. You may need just some time to get comfortable doing that circle up top. And what you can practice doing is holding it here for 1, 2, 3 counts and bring it down just so that you can develop your strength of getting it up there and keeping it up there. And if you're struggling with keeping it straight, watch my elbow. See how I'm pumping my hand up and down? That's how I'm helping keep it up there. 1, 2, 3. Now swing around the back. And when you swing around the back, remember your Pilates, so look at me for a second. When you're going from up here, remember your Pilates, open your hip to come around the back. Okay, so we're down bottom, 1, 2, 3. Now swing it up to the top and we'll hold it 1, 2, 3. Open your hip, swing around down, back to the bottom. Yes, nice. 1, 2, 3, swing up to the top. And 1, 2, 3, open your hip, swing down to the bottom. 1, 2, 3, swing up to the top. 1, 2, 3, and swing down to the bottom. 1, 2, 3, and swing up to the top. 1, 2, 3, and swing down to the bottom. 1, 2, 3. Now let's do singles. Swing and up, swing down, swing up, swing down, swing up, swing down, swing up, and pedal on the bottom and pedal on the top. Swing, pedal on the bottom, pedal on the top, pedal. And from here, you don't slide your hand down like this. You extend your hand like you're doing the giant. So it's a pedal, the giant, a pedal, the giant, a pedal, the giant, a pedal. Exactly, yeah. And then you just want to remember when you come down not to be lazy and come here. You want to go all the way down here. If I do it here where I'm lazy, right? This is what your flower looks like. Versus this. You can see the difference, right? And we'll do 1 down, spin, 1 up, and then down. And that counts as 1 full cycle. So 5, 6, 7, and bottom, swing, top, and bottom, swing, top, swing, bottom, swing, top, swing, bottom, swing, top, swing, bottom, swing, top, and come back down. So it's the same thing. 5, 6, 7, and bottom, swing, top, and swing, bottom, and swing, top, and swing, bottom, swing, top, swing, bottom, swing, top, swing, bottom, swing, top, and down. Okay, here's another way to think about this. If you go into your giant with your left hand, now just stop at the top and do a pedal, and then go back to the giant. Pedal, giant, pedal, giant, pedal, giant, pedal, giant, pedal, giant. Yes, that. Pedal, giant, pedal, giant. And then let's do it at the bottom. So giant, and now we'll do a pedal on the bottom. Giant and pedal on the bottom. Giant, pedal on the bottom. Giant, pedal on the bottom. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, and more importantly, should you be physiologically capable of doing it presently, is to move, like when you're in the bottom, you're doing this. Instead of doing that, try and isolate it more to make it a tighter circle. Your hand slipped a little bit to the front rather than down here. So the idea is, if you can imagine the most casual stance possible with your hands down at your side, and then you somehow have enough control to just casually, while you're standing there, spin your little circle down here. That's what you're doing. Now, I mention this because you were saying how when you're doing the giant, it can be exhausting. The cool thing about this flower is you have a moment's respite right here on this side. This is hard, but this is your moment of rest. This is hard. This is your moment of rest. This is hard. This is your moment of rest. And when I say moment, it's like less than a second. So it's really brief. It's moment of respite for sure. 5, 6, 7, 8. Swing it up, pedal, 10 down. And 2 going up, swing it back down and pedal. 3, up, swing back down. 4, up, swing back down. 5, up and down. 6, up and down. 7, up and down. 8, up, big swing, come back down. And 9, up and down. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, and spin to the top, circle and down bottom, circle, up top, circle, down bottom, circle. 3rd time up and down. 4th time up and down. 5th time up and down. 6th time up, down. 7, up, down. 8, up, down. 9, up, down. 10, up and down. Nice and tight. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and extension to the top petal, extension down. Extension to the top petal, extension down. 3rd time up petal and down. 4th time up and down. 5th time up and down. 6th time up and down. 7th time up and down. 8th time up and down. 9th time up and down. And last one, up and down. You know, you do this whole thing, and then you do your swivels, and then you come into your underhands. You could just add this in, and then go back to your giants.